Input and output devices. Input devices. Keyboard, a primary input device used for typing text, numbers, and commands into a computer. Mouse, a pointing device that controls the movement of a pointer on the screen and allows clicking, selecting, and dragging items. Touchscreen, enables input by touching the screen. Scanner, converts physical documents into digital form. Microphone, captures audio for voice commands or recording. Webcam, captures video for live streams or video calls. Game controllers, devices like joysticks, gamepads, and steering wheels for gaming. Output devices. Monitor, displays visual output such as text, images, and videos. Printer, converts digital documents into physical paper copies. Speakers, output sound such as music or audio alerts. Projector, displays visual content on large screens or surfaces. Headphones, output sound privately to an individual user.